Join me as I take on the challenge of growing back my hair faster naturally using only home remedies and no products. Having long, luscious locks is a dream shared by many, but for some, it can seem like an impossible feat. Slow hair growth can be frustrating, especially when it feels like you are doing everything right. But the good news is that with a few simple changes to your daily routine, you can start to see real progress. Let's dive in. You have watched to this level, it means you are really enjoying the content. So why not subscribe? That way you won't miss out on the tips, secrets, and remedies I share to this channel that will help you grow out that healthy and full hair, blow out your beauty and without spending much. And guess what? The results are unstoppable. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That way YouTube algorithm will push the video to so many people, and also share it to your friend that's suffering any hair issues, and leave any hair challenge you have on the comment section. Let's solve it together.